Okay, so now I have completed download 2.3.8 Windows. So I will open it and you will see connector and port this, which is the installer. I got my installer was Chinese. You can click I to continue. And you will click next. You can see we got this file. You could choose any file from here to put your Arduino IDE. Next, you will click install. If you completed it, you will open a clear one and you will have kind of like this page. We have a file which can give you new sketch, open some of the projects you have, save your projects or save your projects. If you already save as, you can close this and some example, some sketchbook. I think built-in examples are very useful when you are new. We have basic, some of the things from the Arduino Uno, which is a board. You're given USB to put on your computer so that when you click here, you got a port. You could click in here, select what board you have. Well, I got Uno, so I type Uno. You got these types of ports, and when you click one of these, you just okay, then you import your board so that next time you can connect it to your board. But we have a question. What does this port do? When you put it in your USB on your computer, it will have a COM3, COM4, or if you have a lot of ports imported, these are codes. And how do you give it to your robot? Certainly you need to connect your robot and send the codes, right? So it needs a wire to send it. So this is to help you transfer all of your commands to your robots that you can run on your robot. We got two types. One are hardware and one is software. Software is like app. Hardware, it's real things like the motherboards or the boards. And how do we upload our commands if we finish writing? Like when we finish writing all of these codes, how do we give it to our robots? Certainly we'll click upload, or we could click verify. If you have other boards, you could use the debug function. I am using Arduino Uno, so it doesn't support. This is the first lesson, and I have tell you how to install Arduino IDE, where you would be coding all the time. Thanks for watching. Bye.